Hi everyone, today we have with us students from VBS college about their journey to getting a job. हम पूरी बातें करनी है कि from 90 percentile you got approximately in the exam to VBS college and finally getting a job on campus. And आपको तो golden opportunity भी दी जा रही है, तो उसके बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं. So we'll start with the background first. Where you from and how much you scored?
So, hello everyone, my name is Sandesh. I am from Lonavala and I've done my graduation in BBM. And for the MBA part, PGDM part, I have given entrance exam of CT and ETMA. I scored 87 in ETMA. So, through that, I got admission into VBS.
So, hi guys, my name is Manas. I stay in Mumbai itself, and at graduation I've done mechanical engineering, and then I gave my CAT and MAT. CAT I couldn't secure good marks, but then MAT I got 87%.
Great, great. And when we talk about the golden opportunity, तो अभी ना काफी colleges एक करते हैं that lot of good colleges do that, say that you will get opportunity to get a job. अगर आपको प्लेसमेंट हो गया उसके बाद इज गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी विच इज गिवन टू यू. ये लालच है कि ये क्या चीज है कि नहीं एक तुम दो दो रखेंगे या लोगों की एक नहीं हो रही यार दो करनी है तुम्हें.
Sir, first of all, it is about lalach only. Of course, if they'll pay more, why not
ये
to
तो
go there?
सच नहीं बोलना था कैमरे में.
So yeah, but then the placement sir is very helpful in that way. He's not stopping us. He have only one. Yeah, of course he's giving everyone an opportunity to go and sit in the placements. He's not like sending only the same people. Ki you
Correct.
go and you take the job multiple company from the multiple companies. So first he'll be giving everyone the opportunity, and then once he'll give everyone one golden
One.
opportunity that they can apply. And if
Correct.
they get a better offer, they can go for it.
Correct. And what do you mean by a golden mother? You can choose the company or they will tell you कि आप यहाँ apply करो. How it works?
So they do help us out if there is an opening in the companies, and then it is about our dream job or in a dream company or in the dream industry that we want to go. They give us a good explanation on how to join the company, how to go about and ask people, and if they come to our campus, then they'll tell our name, they'll suggest our name, and then they'll make us do the GD and PI. So they help us a lot in that.
Correct. Because ना बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि that day you are applying, you got a job, you got the first company on campus, but then a lot of top companies are coming afterward.
Exactly. So
लगता
that
है
was
अरे वो
my
मेरे को वो चाहिए थी लेकिन यहाँ हो गया.
exactly the my case. So
You are the only person who got through Reliance retail का interview.
Yes.
So how was it? मतलब how was the feeling like? You feel like कि इतने लोगों में से मेरा अकेले का हुआ है.
I was fortunate enough. I was like very happy at
उस
that
समय
time.
तो याद है भैया शुक्र है जॉब मिल गई.
Yes. Yeah. So, I would say I cracked Reliance Retail because of the guidance that I got through my faculties. So the faculties are like very good. If we go to them personally and seek help from them, guidance from them, they are quite sure that they will help us out in every way possible. That was one part. Second was the infrastructure VBS has. VBS has, you can see the library.
Library,
We have
right.
everything in the library, journals, through articles and everything. So to crack the interview, domain knowledge was important for me, and I gained all that domain knowledge from the library itself. So that was another part which helped me. And talking about the faculties, there are some faculties who are from IIMs, so that also helped me.
Correct. What was your what do you improve in yourself or how college help you? कोई ऐसी एक दो चीजें जो आपने चेंज किया यहाँ पे आने के बाद?
yes, of course. So graduation complete kiya. I completed my graduation and I was very up there. So I was not well. Like, it's just the graduation that I completed. So I was not in the right path. What to do, how to focus on work, and leave that student life. Ki 4 o'clock ho gaya, job khatam, and go home and then take rest. Job is not like that. You have to stay after hours. You have to work, and then meet the all the goals that the
Correct.
marketing
Targets and
team
all.
targets that the marketing team sets. So I all learn all those things, and then yeah, so that was very helpful for me.
Correct. And the certification, I really like the concept. There's a compulsory certification you have to do. Like बाकी वाले
yes, sir.
दे नो वन टू टेल कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. यहाँ पे कंपल्सरी तो करना ही पड़ेगा. वो एज अ स्टूडेंट वो लगता है कि यार कंपल्सरी क्यों है, बट इट ट्रस्ट मी इन द लॉन्ग रन इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर यू.
So as yes, of course. So as a student, we feel
क्यों
why
ना
are we
करवा रहे
doing
हैं?
this at this point of time? We have ample amount of work on our hands, assignments and
Correct,
PPTs.
correct, correct.
Why this burden? But then in near future, when this certification will come help to you to get a job in your
Correct,
dream
correct,
company, that will be very helpful.
Very
So yeah, we have 30-hour compulsory course that
30
we
hours.
have to do. So there is a 30-hour course that we have to do on our own, whatever field that you want to do in, but it should be a 30-hour course, and then we have to complete that.
Very nice, very nice. All the best. All the best for your dream job. All the best.